Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to set up for the week of November 16th through the 22nd in my Ivory Paper Co. all-in-one undated planner. I will be utilizing the kit from the October theme Cirque Noir. Sorry if I said that wrong, but it means Black Circus, from Oso Paper Company. In addition to that, I will be using this date sticker book by Happy Planner. And I am so excited about this thing because it brings back a lot of memories for me. I especially wanted to use this particular kit in the month of November because this is when I remember going to the circus. It was cold outside, warm inside. The seasons were changing, the leaves were turning and probably down on the ground by this time. But I remember it all. And so I wanted to go ahead and use this kit around this time in November. It is a beautiful kit. It came out in October instead of her having like a scary Halloween theme for her subscription kit. She went with something that a lot of people could probably enjoy when they reflect back on their various memories as a child, and then also it helped us to think about what we can do once the economy opens back up fully and activity is more engaged, and things that we can look forward to. So I love that because I definitely would love to take all the kids in my life to the circus or ice capades or something to that effect. So good memories, good memories. So I started by placing down this Admit One ticket on the sidebar of my planner spread, and I will be adjusting the position of that a little bit later on in this video. One thing I do love about these stickers is that I am able to lift them up without tearing the pages, but they have a really good stickiness to them. And the stickers did not like warp or anything. So I'm like, this shop is on point with the quality of sticker that she used and the adhesive, as well as the color payoff of these stickers is like phenomenal. She prints all of her own stickers now, and they're just beautiful. And so going back to the decoration of my spread, I went ahead and put down the sign, the circus sign that points you to games, sideshow, and tickets. And we put the big tent down there with some Admit One tickets at the around the edge there. So I love that. And again, I'm repositioning these stickers just a little bit, and to maybe condense the space that I'm using so I could put stickers in this area too. And I really wanted to use the mini friend sitting in the crescent moon. I really wanted to use her like at the top part of the spread, because I do recall sometimes, depending on which circus it was, but sometimes you would see people hanging and doing different activities as you're entering into the tent. So that's what I'm sort of thinking of. Or you'll see the entertainment taking place before you get to the tent. And so I wanted to sort of exude that feeling of being like, wow, as the events start to take place in my planner. So I adjusted the position of the Admit One ticket and was able to fit that mini friend up at the top there. And then I love this mini friend. And by the way, I say mini friends. I've been really practicing that, so I'm proud of myself, because these used to be called mini Eastas, but over the summer she changed it to mini friends. So yay me, it's finally starting to stick for me. But you'll hear me say mini Easter too. But The mini friend down there is throwing up the pins in the air, and I just love how she was able to capture that. And two of the pins are totally separate from the doll sticker itself, so you can sort of adjust where the pins are going, whether they're up in the air or coming down. So, and then I wanted to use that Emit One washi tape, Emit One ticket washing tape. So I was able to put a little bit down there to separate some of the rows. And I like this washi tape because it has light gold foil. And I figure this washi tape, I could use it for like my movie list or movies I want to see, movies I watch, any like productions I go to, concerts, plays, and so forth. I could use this washi tape over and over again. And then on the right hand side, I love that sticker of the two girls hanging from the tight line. That is so cute. I love how she was able to capture that in a sticker. I mean, she's talented, okay? And then up in the right hand corner, I put the flag banner with the girl in the ring loop with the top hat on. Thought that was cute. And then at the bottom there, have the three mini friends who are doing tricks and so forth with the bike tricycle. And then I decided to go ahead and lift up one of the dolls on the tight line rope and put down the Admit One ticket washing tape because I just love how it looks. And I like how that looks. Sort of gives it more of a backdrop to what they are doing. And then I wanted to make for sure that I used some of the box stickers from this kit, and so I just put down an assortment there. And I really like how this turned out. I also put some more washi tape down at the bottom of the pages too. So yeah, I really like how that turned out. And then as far as the Admit One ticket on the left hand side of the planner, the big one, I can use that to write in like a note to self, or maybe highlight a memory that happened during the week in my social media planner. There's like a lot of things that I could do if I hit a goal or something like that. So I could just totally be creative with that Admit One sticker. And then what I want to go ahead and do is show you really quick how I decorated the rest of the pages. These are the daily pages for the week. I kept it simple, put down some washi tape, and then I had the miniature doll in the loop with the top hat, and I just used that. And then now I'm giving you a full left and right view of my pages for the planner itself. I hope you enjoyed this spread. Life is a circus, but we could choose to enjoy it in all of its craziness and find the good things and the positive things about life. And that's what also this spread represents to me too. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, bye bye.